Ever wondered how elements like calcium and potassium differ? Let's unravel their atomic secrets. From protons to valence electrons, we'll simplify how to decode atomic structures step by step. Let's start with potassium. Its atomic number 19 gives it 19 protons and electrons. With a mass number of 39, it has 20 neutrons. The valence electron? One perched in the 4s orbital. Next, calcium. Atomic number 20 means 20 protons, matched by 20 electrons. Mass 40 minus protons equals 20 neutrons. And the valence electrons? 2 in the 4s orbital. Now scandium. Atomic number 21 and mass 45 bring it to 24 neutrons. Its electron configuration reveals 3 valence electrons, 2 in 4s and 1 in 3d. Titanium follows, with atomic number 22 equating to 22 protons and electrons. Its mass number 48 minus protons leaves 26 neutrons, and its 4 valence electrons are distributed, 2 each in 4s and 3d orbitals. Finally, vanadium. Atomic number 23 adds up to 23 protons and electrons. Mass minus protons? 28 neutrons. 5 valence electrons span the 4s and 3d orbitals. See how it all connects? Every step ties directly to nature's blueprint. We've unpacked each element simply and clearly. Dive into atomic structures anytime to make chemistry truly click.